How to wear rainbow suit on the party. Let's go. Wearing a fashion rainbow suit for a party is a bold and vibrant choice that can make you the center of attention. Here's a detailed guide on how to rock a rainbow suit with style and confidence. Choosing the right suit. 1. Material. The material of the suit is crucial. For a party, you want something that's comfortable, but also looks luxurious. Satin, velvet, or high-quality polyester blends are great choices. These materials reflect light beautifully, enhancing the rainbow effect. 2. Fit. The fit of the suit is equally important. A well-fitted suit can make even the most daring patterns look sophisticated. Opt for a slim or tailored fit to ensure the suit accentuates your body shape without being too tight. 3. Pattern and color. Not all rainbow suits are created equal. Some might have vertical stripes, while others may have a gradient or a more abstract pattern. Choose a pattern that resonates with your personal style. Ensure that the colors are vibrant and well distributed. Styling the suit. 1. Shirt. Pairing the suit with the right shirt is essential. A plain white shirt is a classic choice that will allow the suit to stand out. If you're feeling adventurous, you can also opt for a shirt in a bold color that matches one of the colors in the suit. 2. Tie and pocket square. Accessories can make or break your look. A solid black or white tie can keep the focus on the suit. If you want to go all out, choose a tie that matches one of the suit's colors. A matching or complementary pocket square adds a touch of elegance. 3. Shoes. Your shoes should complement your suit without overpowering it. Black or white dress shoes are safe bets. For a more daring look, you can opt for shoes in one of the suit's colors, but ensure they are polished and sophisticated. Accessories and grooming. 1. Belt. If your suit pants have belt loops, a sleek black or white belt works best. A belt that matches your shoes helps to tie the entire look together. 2. Watch and jewelry. Keep it minimal with the jewelry. A simple watch, perhaps with a leather strap that matches your shoes, adds a touch of class. Avoid overly flashy jewelry that might clash with the suit's colors. 3. Grooming. Ensure you are well groomed. A fresh haircut, neatly trimmed beard, or clean-shaven look can enhance your appearance. The key is to look polished and put together. Confidence is key. 1. Owning the look. Wearing a rainbow suit requires a certain level of confidence. Walk with your head held high and a smile on your face. Your confidence will make the suit look even more stunning. 2. Body language. Positive body language is essential. Stand tall, make eye contact, and engage in conversations with enthusiasm. Your energy will be contagious, and people will be drawn to your bold choice of attire. Situational awareness. 1. Type of party. Consider the type of party you're attending. A rainbow suit might be perfect for a lively birthday bash or a themed event, but it might not be suitable for a more formal or subdued gathering. Always gauge the atmosphere and dress appropriately. 2. Weather and venue. The weather and venue play a role in how comfortable you'll be in your suit. If it's an outdoor event in summer, opt for lighter materials like cotton blends. For indoor or winter parties, thicker materials like velvet can add warmth and style. Styling for different body types. 1. Tall and slim. If you're tall and slim, you can afford to play with different patterns and fits. Vertical stripes can add some visual interest without overwhelming your frame. 2. Short and stout. For those with a shorter, stockier build, a tailored fit that's not too tight is key. Avoid overly busy patterns that can make you look wider. 3. Athletic build. If you have an athletic build, a suit that accentuates your shoulders and waist will look great. Opt for a tailored or slim fit to highlight your physique. Practical tips. 1. Maintenance. Rainbow suits can be a bit more delicate than regular suits. Always follow the care instructions, usually dry clean only. Store it properly to avoid wrinkles and maintain the vibrancy of the colors. 2. Mix and match. Don't be afraid to mix and match pieces from your rainbow suit with other outfits. A rainbow blazer can add a pop of color to an otherwise plain outfit, making it versatile. Final touches. 1. Perfume/cologne. A subtle, pleasant fragrance can add an extra layer of sophistication to your look. Choose a scent that complements the boldness of your suit. 2. Smile. The best accessory to any outfit is a genuine smile. It shows confidence and makes you approachable. In conclusion, Rocking a fashion rainbow suit for a party is all about balance. You want to stand out without looking like you're trying too hard. With the right fit, styling, and confidence, you can make a striking impression